Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.